Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a Rainbow Six Siege black screen or game freezing. So the first step what I suggest to do here is to disable all game overlays or all the apps. If using Discord, disable Discord overlay. You just need to press on the gear icon here, then game overlay should be somewhere here. Game overlay, disable all the in-game overlays. Steam uses overlays. Go to Steam. And then on Steam as well, you need to disable overlay. Press on Steam icon here, go to settings, and then you just need to go to in-game and disable Steam overlay. NVIDIA app, if you use NVIDIA GPU, also uses overlays. So all you need to do here is to eliminate all the apps with the overlays because it will give you black screen. Settings, disable overlay. And once you have no overlays on your PC, then you need to go to graphic settings, also drivers, and make sure to update your GPU to the latest drivers. Then what you can do here is to try to launch Rainbow Six Siege in windowed mode. And to do so, you just need to look for Rainbow Six Siege, right click on it, properties, and then on launch options, you just need to write windowed. And then launch in windowed mode and look if the problem persists. Then what you can do here is to go to install files, browse, and then you need to look for copy the path, go to graphic settings, and then on graphic settings you need to go to add a desktop app, and then add, as you can see here, Rainbow Six and Rainbow Six BE. So add these two, and then look on this list here. It should be Rainbow Six somewhere. I just need to look for it, and then make sure to select high performance, and then make sure optimizations for windowed games selected as well. Do the same with Rainbow 6.b/b, and then go to advanced graphic settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and also go to edit power plan, power options, make sure it's on ultimate performance or high performance here. Also, don't forget to verify files of the game. Sometimes it may be corrupted, so you just need to go to properties, install files, verify integrity of the game files, but I'm pretty sure you did that, and restart your computer. Also, try to force launch a Rainbow Six Siege in Vulkan mode, so you just need to write -Vulkan, and then look if the problem persists. But mostly, a lot of times, overlay is the issue, so just try to disable overlay and then look if the game is working or not. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.